Let's take a look at Melvin Wine's Sugarbabe. So this one's in two different keys at the same time. The A part is in the key of G, and the B part, for all intents and purposes, in the key of D. So we're going to do a little bit of holding a chord in the second part to kind of get the melody where we want it to be. But otherwise, pretty straightforward tune. And the fiddle is in a little bit of a different tuning, but it doesn't really affect the banjo. So we'll get into that in the fiddle parts. So let's take a look at the parts of the tune. Sorry, let me start that one more time. That's pretty much how I'd play that. And then you're kind of playing within this D chord thing on the bottom. So I've got 4th fret, bottom string, 2nd fret, the one after it. And I'm just kind of hammering on, and then a drop thumb. And this tune, I'm gonna run into this all the way through teaching it, so I might as well stop and explain. This tune's pretty wide open, so there's gonna be a lot of variations on how to play things. But I'm gonna try to do just a basic, and then I'll play it slow, playing through some of the variations. But if I stop myself and correct myself, it's because I'm trying to keep the variations the same. So. And let me play that one more time. So far we have. And then one variation I do a lot right off the bat is like a big slide 2nd to 3rd fret B string with all the strings. And then the rest of it's pretty much the same. play that one more time. And then the ending phrase of the A part is. So the whole A part. And for the B part, we're going to go to the key of D. So I'm kind of holding the D7 chord up here. 2nd fret G string, 1st fret B string. Weather's been changing a lot around here, so the strings don't necessarily want to stay in tune. So holding this D7 chord. And so that lick's probably about the hardest lick in the whole tune. I'm hammering on 4th fret and then drop thumb. Kind of repeats. And then I'm throwing some syncopation right there on the last little line of that phrase. And then it's back to the beginning of the B part. So that's pretty much the B part revolves around this idea. And then it just takes it up a step, I think. So. There's this kind of lick that the fiddle can do there sometimes. And I won't hit that thumb that hard. Usually I'm just kind of showing it. You know, bringing it out to show where it is, but you're syncopating and then dropping, you're hammering on. Syncopating and then hammering that note on to lilt a little bit. And you'll hear that a lot in like West Virginia style fiddle to end a phrase, and that's a pretty good banjo way to speak to that fiddle riff, fiddle lick. So now let's play the whole thing slow.